Hey, Drew James here from LearnGuitarInLondon.com. I hope you're having a great day. The results are in. We got Believe by Cher as being the song that you wanted to see a video lesson for. A little bit of a surprise to me because obviously it's like a 90s dance song, but it works so well on the acoustic guitar when everything's stripped away and it's just the vocal and the guitar. It sounds so nice. So I'm going to be doing that every month now. There'll be 2 new songs. You choose your favorite from those. Anyway, let's start learning this. Get your capo, put it on the 1st fret, just a handful of open chords, nice picking pattern, and then you can enjoy this really original version of this song. Let's start learning it now.
No matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. It's so sad you're leaving. It takes time to believe it. But after all is said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one. No, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, really don't think you're strong enough now. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, really don't think you're strong enough now.
You're going to need a capo on the 1st fret. That's where I have it for my voice. If you find that's too high for you, then just take the capo off. You're going to need to know a handful of open chords, and I'm not going to be teaching them to you in the video. I'm just going to presume that you know them. If not, there's plenty of resources online for you to find them. The chords you're going to need are C, G, D minor, F. Now you can do the full bar F and the mini bar F, or even the F major 7. I change between 2 of them throughout the song. E minor, and that's that. So you're really not going to need too many chords. You're just going to need an F major 7, which is basically a C but without the index. So let's look at the beginning. Now, the way that I like to play this is very softly at the beginning with a picking pattern. So how am I doing that? Well, I'm taking a C, which is the 1st chord. I'm always playing the bass note of the chord. The bass note, for those of you who don't know what that means, it's basically the 1st string that you would strum if you were strumming the chord. So in this case, for C, it's the A string. I'm then skipping down to the G string, then I'm playing the B string, then G, then D, then G. Listen. And if you really want to take it a step further, with your pick direction, you go down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now the reason why I'm just repeating C is because basically that is the rhythm that we're going to be using for a lot of this song. So once you've done that, you do G. Now for G, you actually only need the 3rd fret on the thicker string for what we're doing, but it's a good idea to actually do your full G, depending on really. Can you see why I've said? Because look at the picking. You do the thickest string, down to the G, then B, G, D, G. So you only actually need to hold down that. Then D minor. So here's your D minor. Play the D string, then the G, then B, G, B. So you've got C, G, D minor. Then you can make an F major 7 and do the same picking pattern. So that's D, G, B, G, B, D. If you don't know the names of the strings, Eddie 8 Dynamite, Good by Eddie. Memorise them. I think it's much more useful calling them by their note names than by numbers. So you've got C, G, D minor, F, then C, E minor, thickest string, then D minor again, then A minor. The A minor, it's the A string, G, B, G. And you're going to keep that going when the singing starts, okay? So you've got the C, no matter how, then on hard I try, no matter how hard I try. It's just a C major 7, which means you just lift up the index finger of your C. So you've got C, no matter how hard I try, E minor, you keep pushing E minor, side and I, F can't break through, F, there's no G to you, G. Okay, so not that difficult. You can even use the F major 7, you don't need to use full bar F. Then let's keep going, C, C major 7, E minor, E minor, F, F and down, G. You're gonna be the G1, no, into the chorus. C, do you burn G in life after D minor? F. So once you know the order of the chords, it's the same picking pattern for this part of the beginning at least. I can see something in G, me say, D minor, don't think you're A minor enough, no. C, do you burn G in life after D minor? F. I can see something in G, me say, D minor, don't think you're A minor enough, no. So not that difficult, right, once you got the picking pattern. Now into verse 2, I like to do the same rhythm, but without picking. What am I supposed to? So I'm going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I'll do it slowly. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. What am I supposed to do? Just getting a bit louder as well. Sit around and wait for you. Well, F, do that. F, there's no G-ing back. G. I need C, C major 7. I need E minor, E minor. F, I like to do full bar here. Entirely up to you. You can keep with your F major 7. 'Cause I've had time to F it through. G, maybe I'm too G for you. Oh. And on the word good, I strum and hold the G. Good for you, so I don't do the rhythm there. Good for you, oh. Then into my chorus, I really start strumming loud. Same rhythm though. Do you believe in life after love? D minor. F. I can see something in G. Me say a D minor, you're A minor enough now. C. Do you burn G in life after D minor? F. I can see something in G. Me say a D minor, think you're strong enough now. Now we're into the bridge, and what I start doing is I start putting in the tension. And how do you put in the tension? Down strums, 8th beats. Just strumming the bass notes of the chord, so the top 2 or 3 strings. You don't need to be picky about it. So this is the A minor for the bridge. A minor. Well, I know that I'll get through this to a G. Stay with G, just hitting the top 2 or 3 strings. A minor. 'Cause I know that I am G. And on the word need, I changed to I don't need you. I changed to an F. And I go need you anymore. I don't need you anymore. Oh, I don't need you anymore. Back up to G. I don't need you anymore. Back to 8th beats. Then I do silent strum and holds for this chorus, and I sing low and quiet. Do you believe in life after love? D minor. F. I can feel something inside me say. And then on really, I do a loud strum D minor. I really don't think it. And then I do an up on A minor. Strong enough now. Back to normal rhythm. Okay, so really nice and simple. It's just a case of, it's actually more about the right hand and it's about volume levels. Quiet, loud, quiet, loud. Enjoy it. I really hope you get to perform it sometime. I've really enjoyed performing it myself. Keep on playing.
No matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. It's so sad you're leaving. It takes time to believe it. But after all is said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one. No. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, really don't think you're strong enough now. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, really don't think you're strong enough now. What am I supposed to do? Sit around and wait for you? Well, I can't do that. There's no turning back. I need time to move on. I need love to feel strong. 'Cause I've had time to think it through. Maybe I'm too good for you. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough now. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough now. Well, I know that I'll get through this, 'cause I know that I am strong. I don't need you anymore. No, I don't need you anymore. No, I don't need you anymore. I don't need you anymore. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough, no. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough now. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough now. Do you believe in life after love?